We can read the third stanza. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. So what is the meaning of this line means? Using heavy vehicles we can pull heavy metals and heavy machinery parts. It can be pulled out. And haul, here haul means drag with effort or force, and for pushing purpose and for lifting. In construction sites we need heavy vehicles to lift that, and for driving purpose we are using cars, flights, steam engine flights, etc. Buses. For transport also we use machines only. Because of these machines only we have made each and every each facility in our life very quick to access. We can print and plow and weave and heat and light. So printing machines are also there. After discovering the papers, we need printers while writing for printing purpose, and plowing for agricultural purpose also we need, and for weaving for our clothings, and heat and light for producing heat and light also we need machines. And using machines only our every facility is satisfied by these machines. We can run and race and swim and fly and dive. We know all machines, they run, and we can move fast to we move to our destination very fast using these machines only. Using transportation, fast transportation and flight, they are made using light metal, aluminium. And diving, for shipping also we need this machines also for producing ships also. Next, we can see and hear and count and read and write. For a visual purpose we have made a lot of machineries. We have made television. We have created television for our purpose only, for visualization, for what is happening around us. Not only television but also computer, mobile, and for our daily purpose the machines has made the world to reach the doorsteps of our home. So we can read, see, hear, count and write for various purposes. We are using this, we are depending on these machines only, and for man-made purpose only these machines are created. So once again I am reading these lines. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. We can print and plow and weave and heat and light. We can run and race and swim and fly and dive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. Remember the lines carefully and write as it is in this poem. Now we are moving to the next one. But remember please the law by which we live. We are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. So, but one point we have to remember is that they are working on different principles. You have seen a lot of machines. Many scientists have discovered the rules. They have not discovered, they invented the rules. Law of gravity, Archimedes principle, lot of principles are there to run a machine. Law of flotation and etc. Einstein's mass energy relationships, they are made and postulated by them for running these machines. And for running the life-saving machines also we need a law based on which working principle, all needs a working principle. It was also formulated by human beings only. ஸோ அதனால் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, அது அந்த மெஷினை இயக்கிறக்குரிய ஆற்றலோ அதுக்குரிய அந்த கொள்கை, அந்த மெஷினுக்குன்னு ஒரு ஆப்ரேட்டிங் பிரின்சிபல் இருக்குமோ அதை உருவாக்குனது நம்ம தான், ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ் தான். இட் வாஸ் தேர் அண்ட் இட் வாஸ் பாஸ்டுலேட்டட் பை அஸ் ஒன்லி. And we are not built to comprehend. These machines, they are not built for understanding or grasping a lie. அதுக்கு என்ன பிரின்சிபலில் அது ஒர்க் ஆகுதோ அந்த பிரின்சிபலில் தான் ஒர்க் ஆகும். They do not understand a lie or fact. They are based on the working principle only. The AC dynamo or DC dynamo, whatever machines may be. We can neither love the machines. Here we refers to the machines only. They neither love nor pity nor forgive. They are not having any human emotions, love, pity or forgiveness. So if you make a slip in handling us, you die. If we misoperate or if we are Operating the machines wrongly means makes us it makes us to the path of it moves us to the path of death. So we must be careful in handling these machines. But remember, please, the law by which we live. We are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. So what I am going to point out here is, you see the rhyming words here, ma. Live, lie, forgive, die. So last 4 words you see here, live and forgive, they are rhyming sense in the same sound, and lie, die, they are in same sense. So what is the rhyming pattern used here means A B A B. So this is the rhyming scheme or writing pattern in this rhyming pattern in this lines. In all the lines he has used the same rhyming scheme. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. Because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your brain. So the concluding lines, the poem, what is mentioned, what the concluding lines of the poem is, whatever their smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes, your God's abode, we are saying it as heaven, கடவுளின் உலகம், சொர்க்கம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். இந்த தொழிற்சாலைகளிலிருந்து வெளிப்படும் புகையானது அந்த சொர்க்கத்தை நம்முடைய கண்களில் இருந்து மறைத்தாலும், it will vanish and the stars will shine again. The smoke will vanish, it will disappear. Vanish means it will disappear, and once again we can see the stars. Because for all our power and weight and size, because of their power, the power, manufactured power, and the power of the machines, weight of the machines, and their size also, when we conclude, when we compare with the human brain, they are nothing, because these machines are the children of human brain. Famous scientists and inventors have invented these machines for our purpose. They are invented for man-made purpose only. So the concluding lines are nice. Here also you see eyes, size, rhyming word. Again, brain. So this is also a rhyming word. When we move to all the poem means, we can see the lines, mind, design, pit, fit. So these are the rhyming words, mind, design, pit, fit. So A B A B. Here also ask, play, task, day. So ask, task, play, day. This is also in rhyming scheme A B A B. Next one we will move to the next line means, here also you see here drive, dive, light, right. A B A B, the same sense he has written. And then when we are moving to the next line, see here, live, forgive, lie, die. So the whole poem I have given here, and it is take a screenshot while running the video. You take a screenshot of this, and then you can write it easily for your memorizing purpose and memorize the lines. All the lines are very important. Study well. Thank you, children.